Hi again, everyone. In this video, we are going to continue to demonstrate how you can earn more than $1,000 monthly on YouTube with the help of ChatGPT, an incredible AI software that's gaining immense popularity worldwide. And if you remember, I'll also reveal a unique approach to utilizing this technology, similar to how other channels are leveraging it to generate thousands of dollars each month. I already discussed how you can create a $1,000 script in ChatGPT, and I knew that you already practiced that, and if not, you can watch the first part of this tutorial so you can ensure the earnings of this method, and so you can now go to this next chapter of making money with AI. And you want to visit this software, that's what you want to do. It is known as InVideo.io because it has various features on various types of videos that you can create. InVideo is an incredible AI tool that I've been using for a very, very long time to make a variety of different types of videos. I also have an incredible deal for you guys today only. You can see that on their free plan if you visit InVideo and look at their pricing structure. You can share videos for free. Although they do have a watermark and allow for 40-minute video lengths, their business plans and unlimited plans do not have one. Okay, if you choose the unlimited plan, you can generate up to 60 HD movies, 10 pieces of iStock media, and even 20 removing backgrounds per month. That is, after all, one of the better approaches to take with these. You can also see that you have 1 million premium media and 120 images from iStock, which are various image categories that you may utilize. However, I have a fantastic deal for you today that will save you 30% for the duration of your plan if you use a coupon. As a result, when you go to join up, it will appear like this, and this is where you'll input your promotional code. All you have to do is enter SMT30, click the apply button, and you'll see that the pricing has changed. Thus, we select to apply. You'll discover that it will run you just a little bit over $10 every month. You may purchase this for that price. I can assure you that is quite affordable considering what this product can achieve for you. Therefore, once you register with InVideo, a page similar to this one will be displayed to you. There are a few methods you can use to accomplish this, as I previously told you. I've discussed using templates a lot. I have discussed adding text to videos, stock photos, and other media. In order to accomplish something a little different today, we're going to employ the editing functionality of InVideo. You must come over here and click on them. That's what you need to do. The beautiful thing about InVideo is that it scrolls down once you click on this tiny plus sign, especially now that short form material is totally exploding. You may do this while producing short, straightforward videos as well as extended form content. For the purposes of this video, we're going to make a normal landscape-sized video that lasts for almost 20 seconds. However, you could absolutely create portrait-style videos for shorts if you wanted to double down and help your channel go viral even faster. Okay, because that is precisely what people are doing at this very moment. You therefore head over here and select Landscape. When you select Landscape, you will be directed to this page. Simply click off this for the time being. In order to put this film together, we now want to start importing some of the data we obtained from ChatGPT and using various sorts of videos and photographs. I'll demonstrate how to add music, text, and voiceovers, as well as how to overlay everything. Therefore, the next thing we must do is visit our ChatGPT script and ensure that the video adheres to the script we have written. Of course, push-ups are the topic at hand right now, so one of the things you can do inside InVideo is on the side here on the left. You can see that you have both videos and photos. So all you have to do is quickly click on 2 videos before climbing to the top and typing push-ups, okay? You may simply enter in terms like push-ups, push-up exercises, etc. To see what results appear, the second option is to give it a shot. You can perform push-ups with a wide grip or another variation and observe the results that ChatGPT has produced. So that you can click on the tiny plus sign over here, we want to take this video as an example to show you how this works. When you click on that, this video will appear. Click on ADD at the bottom of this page as you scroll down. The first video that will be added over here is now this one. Okay, you can see that we have a small logo design here. That is what we can do now. If you want to add your own distinctive logo, do this now. Therefore, your video is inaccessible to others. You may simply take that out. Okay, alternatively, you can leave it there or upload your own logo. If you play this, you'll see that all it really shows is someone performing push-ups. What we want to do at this point is move this over here and shut this down. And what we're going to do is head over to ChatGPT, where I'm going to walk you through adding this voiceover and then changing these various scenes. So the first thing you can see is that we have a welcome to our channel and a hello message. Therefore, what you should do is copy this and return to InVideo. We want to add voiceovers, that's what. There are now a few voiceover options available to you. You may see that this page has automated text-to-speech if you click on voiceover and scroll down. I'll teach you how to use it in the videos. You can import from uploads as an additional option. That basically means that you can use your phone to record your own voice, okay? This full script may therefore be easily recorded and uploaded there. Actually, I advise employing a voiceover performed by a human. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the excellent feature of InVideo's automated text-to-speech. However, if you know how to record your own voice, you can use your phone and your own microphone. If you wanted to, if you had a very simple microphone, or you could actually pay someone on Fiverr to do it for you. Since artificial intelligence voiceovers are getting so good, you might not even be able to tell that they are artificial intelligence voiceovers in some cases. You can use InVideos for the time being if you have other ways to do it as well, especially if you're paying for something. To begin, you should scroll to the top and select the option for automated text-to-speech. When you reach the top of hit Command 5, you will see a message that reads, "Hello and welcome to our channel." Do this. You can notice that you have a variety of voices as you scroll down. We will thus click on this. You may see that you have Sally, Matthew, Kimberly, Kendra, and other people. I'll hand it off to Sally for the time being. To create this voiceover, we'll click, and that's what we can accomplish. I'll give you permission to hear this once we've completed that. You can imagine how this sounds. To make sure you can hear this, I'll turn up the volume before pressing the play button.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common exercise that most of us are familiar with.
This may occasionally sound a little glitchy, but that just means that editing is still taking place. It sounds much better after you download the video. Therefore, what we're going to do is include this. As soon as you add this, it will appear wherever your pointer is, okay? To add that voiceover, place this cursor where you want it to appear. What we can do right now is click on Add. As a result, once we play this, you can see,
Welcome back to our channel. Today,
we will therefore stop there. You should now create scenes that correspond with the voiceover. Instead of starting with push-ups or something similar, you could simply climb to the top and type in something like YouTube welcome to see what comes up. Then press Enter to see what we can overlay on this so you can create something similar. You can change things. I've altered several different kinds of templates. Okay, so you can either use anything like this or things like green screens, which you can delete, or you can use thanks and all that sort of stuff. So feel free to click on this individual. Okay, you should then drag this across to the point where the voiceover scene ends. In that case, you could want to stretch this out, correct? We can now lower this. This is merely an illustration. So let's simply press play.
welcome back to our channel.
Okay, let's put an end to that. What we want to do next. We now have the opening scene. The second thing we want to do is return to ChatGPT. As you can see, we're going to talk about the advantages of performing push-ups daily today. To put it simply, we can now copy that and grab it so you can see what we're doing. Okay, so I'm not going to perform the entire script, but I still want to demonstrate how you can assemble this video. Therefore, we want to move this there right now. We want to get a text-to-speech voiceover that is automated. You should paste this in again so you can see that we will discuss the advantages of performing push-ups every day today. Once more, we'll click to create this voiceover. The next thing you should do is click on Add. Now, if you click on this tiny zoom inside of here and bring this close up, you'll sometimes notice that there is a slight delay when you hit play. We want to eliminate all of this dead air, so if I play this today,
Welcome back to our channel. Today,
that is what we want to do, okay? Once you click on this, you can either click on these tiny scissors to split the object, or you can simply press C to cut the object, allowing you to grab it. Okay, then all you need to do is highlight this small blue section, right-click, and select Delete. If you come over and click on this, it will be removed. That will be pushed there. What occurs next is that, as you'll see, there won't be any dead air if we perform that. So allow me to take this back a bit. Let me actually play the entire thing for you. I'll demonstrate exactly how this will sound.
welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common exercise that
Okay, considering that's where it ends, you'll stop there. We're going to split this scene now. Good, we're going to get rid of that. We're also going to divide this scene. Okay, and we're going to do away with that. Going back to ChatGPT is what we want to accomplish right now. Therefore, what you will do is simply copy this and continue to do so. With InVideo, you can really get a little bit more of a statement, which is good. To expedite this, take 3 or 4 sentences in a row. Okay, so all I wanted to do was walk you through the process step by step. When using InVideo, you should add some text or text overlay, which is what we want you to do, okay? Now that we've clicked play, we want to move to the front of the line. So if we press play, you can see the first part of this.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common exercise that most of us are familiar with, push-ups. But have you ever wondered what would happen if you do push-ups every day?
Therefore, what we want to do is add text that lists the advantages of performing push-ups daily. As you can see, there are various options available on the side here on the left. Text is one of them. Now that you have chosen some text, as you can see if we scroll down, you will notice a variety of animated text overlays that you may utilize. You might thus be able to uncover a ton of different kinds of ones as you scroll down. Some of them have interesting artwork, some of them have very nice looks, etc. I've used both of these minimalistic ones and one similar to this one. Additionally, expanding that is what will happen if you click on this tiny arrow. Let's use this one over here as an example, if you will. You should drag this to the front and keep in mind that it will always post where your cursor is. Okay, so you can simply double click on this where you can type hello and welcome to our channel. Okay, so what you should do is expand this, right? Same as this. Okay, you can leave that there as well. Okay, as a result, the text overlay is excellent. This can be moved back over here. Now, what we're going to do is return over to text once more. We will click on this once more. We're going to push this down over here as our next action, okay? Then, what we want to do is type OK, double click on this and highlight the advantages of performing push-ups every day. Okay, then you have the option of expanding this as well. You can drop this there or move it over here. The other thing you can do is, if you want to use this as an example, go ahead and choose from a variety of animation and text effects. As a result, if you have a text effect, text shadowing is just one among them. This one has grown on me recently. If you click on that, you'll be able to see that he'll give you an incredible bow that creates shadows in the background. You can experiment with the blur and make it seem pretty amazing to make something stand out, as you can see. Even the angle is there for you to experiment with. You may push area and distance apart by using your distance, okay? Additionally, you can stretch it out and make it look really cool by using opacity to make it nice and dark. The other option you have, guys, is to experiment with the text background. If you want to do that, you can say that you can experiment with the opacity with it to make it stand out a little bit more, and you can drop that in. And suppose you click on this background image. Additionally, you can experiment with that by using special effects. Thus, as you can see if you scroll down, you have a variety of options. Say you wanted to open a video from the 1980s. You can see that it will experiment with that. You can click on that, but it will just change the way it appears somewhat. Okay, you have 90s video. That just gives you a little bit more of an effect. I'll now demonstrate exactly how this appears. So you can clearly see what I mean if you scroll this to the front and play it now.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common exercise that most of us are familiar with.
As for what you would do, you would just keep making this video and utilize ChatGPT to do it for as long as you wanted to. Of course, you could draw a few conclusions from this. Then you can scroll down and access step 2, which includes instructions for performing push-ups, for example. Scrolling down would bring this video to a close. The other thing you can do when you're on He, guys, is add some music. If you go over to the left side, you can see that you have several tracks of music. The beautiful thing about this is that you can see how it automatically divides into several groups. You can be angry, serious, humorous, motivating, depressing, relaxing, etc. Now, there is one thing that you obviously want to do, because what we're doing is pushing up, exercising, and being inspirational. So you might do something inspiring. Okay, so if you choose that, you can just listen to a selection of these various music clips. I click on this, scroll down and click on any of these other options, and then you guys will only need to click on this little plus sign of V after selecting the option you want, and it will immediately add this audio clip. If this is going to take too long to start playing, you can scroll down and say this is where it is at, and now what you want to do again. Therefore, if I play this to you over here,
welcome back to our channel.
What you want to do is get rid of that. This is empty space. Simply click there. You may just relocate this to the front once you delete it. The next very critical step is to lower the music volume once you've selected the music option. To do this, navigate to the top of the page where you can find the fade and volume controls. Okay, simply come over here and reduce that speed to, say, 15%. Okay, we're going to move this to the front and start the audio so you can hear it.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common exercise that most of us are familiar with, push-ups.
Simply approach the top guys and ask them to turn up the volume if you can't hear it to, say, 40% play. Okay, so this is how you're going to assemble the video. You have that wonderful script from ChatGPT. You now have software that puts everything together for you. The next thing you must do is export this video, that's what. Thus, simply ascend to the top. As you can see, I have the InVideo Premium Edition, so as I stated, scroll down and click on the link in my description. If you register, enter the code SMT30. You will receive a 30% discount for the duration of the software if you use this along with ChatGPT. And that concludes the tutorial for now. To reinforce your learning, I recommend that you replicate the steps I have demonstrated here and in the first part of the tutorial and practice further. Once you feel confident with those two, creating a script with AI and now creating output with it, you can proceed to the part 3 of the video tutorial by watching one of the videos that will pop above. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more similar content. Also, don't hesitate to leave your feedback or suggestions in the comments section below. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in the next video. This is that AI Ninja signing off.